Hello everyone, I am Ktor Singh, and today we will be talking about Ktor or Ktor, however you want to pronounce it. First of all, why Ktor? Even there are so many frameworks which are in the market. Um, Being Kotlin one of the new languages, so the architecture, the design of the language is so beautiful that I love it, and it gives a very nice flexibility to make robust apps. And as you guys must be knowing that. Most of the enterprise level apps are still written in Java, and Java being commercialized in 2019, and Kotlin being one of the successor of Java, just like Scala, with much more better features and very beautiful syntax. That's why I wanted to talk about Qatar and wanted to share the knowledge with you. And I just made this particular API in just a couple of minutes. Get first of all getting Qatar. You can go to Qatar.io website and you can go to Quick Start, and over here you can go for the IntelliJ IDE. Just make sure you download it from the JetBrains. Download IntelliJ IDE. You can go to this link and you can download the community version. It is as good as the ultimate one. I mean, for the beginner to experiment on things, I think so. It's more than enough. And this steps will this make sure you know how to install the plugin, because it's Qatar. It's just a plugin for the IntelliJ IDE, and once you have installed the plugin, it's very easy. Once you have installed it, it will ask you to restart the IntelliJ, and once it's restarted, you can go to create new project, and over here you will have the Ktor option. Just make sure you choose 1.1.0.0, and because 1.0 this version, the latest one, 1.1.0 version is it's not stable. Maybe I tried it. I don't know if it's stable or not. I tried it and it was not. It was it. I was facing a couple of errors in it, so I shifted to 1.0, and it was working pretty fine. Just hit next, and let me just change it to Coder Sing, and artifact ID could be anything. Let's keep it some example. YouTube, we can say YouTube tutorials. Let's hit finish. So okay, and it will take a couple of minutes, maybe for your case, maybe a much more longer time, because I've already built the Gradle before, and in your case, it might have to download a couple of new dependencies. So yeah, you come into your project, and in the source folder you have application.kt file. So we don't need this thing, and we would be needing routing. So routing is basically um, defining the routes of the application. So we just have to type routing, and yes, it has come over here. And then now we have to just write the the methods, the request methods, which can be get post or put anything. So in this part we will just gonna return call. Call is an application call, and when you have to, you can respond text, and um, we can say welcome to Ktor or something like that, and at the same time we can just run it. So it was as simple as that, and we're just running it. And for those who are not able to see the code, this might be better. You don't just you don't have to touch the boilerplate code. If you want to remove all these things, you can remove all these things as well. And it should run on port 8080. And let's open it, and say see, we have it in this couple of minutes. So I will be talking about more, and in next lecture I will be making a JSON API of to-do list, and then we can talk about it more. Then get and post, we can talk about more things, and I hope you like it. And if you like it, then do like the video and subscribe my channel. It really motivates me to make new videos, video content, and give it to you, present to you guys. And feel free to ask me any question, email me. You can easily get my email. My email is codersing27 numeric 27 at the gmail.com. You can email me anytime. If it's personal, or if it's long, or related to coding, or it's related to career counseling, or whatever it is related to coding, we can I can definitely help you out in that case. So till next time, see you, and hope you guys code well and understand what I'm trying to convey over here. Thank you so much for your time. Keep coding and keep making new productive apps, and I will see you in next tutorial.